Hi everyone, welcome back to Awesome Kids. It's me Shaza. So currently I'm studying for my math exam and I thought of sharing with you how I usually study for my math exams. So first thing, we need to complete our portions. We need to do all the exercises that our teachers have given us and what is there in our textbooks, and only then we should go on to do extra questions or anything else. While completing these chapters one by one, you can also make a checklist. So I made my checklist in my laptop. You can also do it in your notebook. And then once you complete each chapter, you can put the tick mark. And something I like to do is I choose 2 or 3 colors. Purple and yellow is what I have used. And so when I complete a chapter and I'm pretty confident about it, and I can solve questions on that chapter very easily, I like to give the color purple. And then if I find a chapter that is difficult for me or I'm not able to answer a lot of questions from that chapter, I will highlight it in the yellow color. And so next time when I study math, I'll give concentration and importance to those chapters that are in yellow color. And so while practicing those chapters again, I'll be also able to make those chapters purple in color again. And after you have completed your portions, you can make a formula sheet of all the formulas that are there in every chapter, and this will help you to revise all these formulas just the day before your exam or on your way to your exam halls. And even though we are very confident about our formulas, there are times when we suddenly just forget the formulas, and by making a formula sheet we'll be able to check all these formulas together in one single sheet of paper. While doing the questions in the guides or textbook, if I'm finding some questions difficult to answer, I'll highlight those question numbers, or you can also circle them. And so next time I go through those pages, I'll make sure I do those questions again. And so when you practice these questions again and again, the answers of these questions and the method on how to answer it will be imprinted on your mind. And when you have extra time, it is also important to do extra questions like guides and sample papers. If you're the person who find it hard to get the interest to start studying maths, then something you can do is see math as a challenge, and you can keep a timer for like 1 hour and choose a topic that you would like to complete within this given time. And so before the timer rings, you should be able to complete this topic. And so naturally, by keeping a timer, this will make your brain motivated to start studying maths. Finally, practice until you're perfect, because there is no other shortcut for learning math. We cannot memorize it or by heart it like we do for other subjects. And the only method is to write and practice it until we get it right. And only by practicing it daily can we increase our speed in answering questions and increase our accuracy in getting the answers right. So learn by liking maths rather than struggling for it.